Hello everyone, this is Enrit and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with my vlog number 3. Today I'm here to share with you guys all the tips and tricks that are required for your nail extensions. Now I know you must be saying why Enrit is here to tell you guys all this. I know I'm not a professional nail artist, but yet yes, I can say during this COVID time it's hard for all of us to go to the beauty parlors, sit up there and get our nails done. Now I'm going to share with you guys all the tips that are required to wear the extensions and also all the tips that are required while removing the extensions so that our original nails are not damaged. So stay tuned there and watch the entire video. Now before we get started, if anyone out there is new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So over here, firstly, I'm having the nail extension kit that is from the Fingers company. I have provided you with the link below in the description box. Now you can purchase this from India as well or anywhere in the world. From Amazon I have got it. So I must say their kit is really amazing because they provide you with different sizes. Now people like me with fine nails need not worry because they have provided with all sort of sizes. Now it also comes along with your glue. You can see it's Fingers company. This glue I must say is very effective guys. If you want to wear them long, if you want to wear them just for 1 or 2 days also will do. I will tell you all the tips that are required before using and after using this thing. So along with this, I am also going to use nail polish, that is nail paint from Makeup Gallery. You can use whatever sort of you want. You can use whichever company you like, but I prefer using this, and this is a very good brand, that is Saffron London. So you can purchase it if you want, if you live in London over here. And also I'm going to use classic nail polish remover. Now this is a huge bottle which can be used for a long time, very long time, and it's very cheap over here. Along with that, I'm also going to use Nivea Soft Hand Cream, which is going to moisturize our hands before and after we are done with our nail extensions. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So as you can see, some of my nails are broken sort of. So what we are going to do is we are going to trim the nails first. If you want, you can also wear your nail extensions on your nails itself, but I prefer trimming them before doing that because sometimes what happens is when you turn your fingers, some people can make out that you have more nails inside your artificial ones. So that is when people will find out that you're wearing the artificial nails. So we want to make it original. We want it to look original. So that is the reason I'm going to trim my nails first. So with the help of a nail cutter, I'm going to cut off my nails. So there you go, I'm going to show you just for one hand first. So now my nails are all neat. Now the tip over here is, guys, that I do not want to spoil my original nails. So what we are going to do over here is, I'm going to apply any nail polish. This is not the one actually that I want to apply, but I'm going to apply a coat of any nail polish so that I can put on the glue on the nail paint and not on my original nail. So over here, what I'm going to do is, I repeat, over here, I'm going to apply nail polish and then I'm going to use my nail extension glue. I'm not going to put this glue directly onto my original nail as I don't want to damage my original nail. It doesn't get damaged, but yes, your original nails get rough and I don't want to spoil the texture of my original nails. That is the reason I'm using this trick. So see friends, I want to show you all. Now these are the nails which I had previously put last time. So what I want to tell you guys is, by using this tip of mine, by applying the nail paint before adding the glue onto it, is that your artificial nails are not going to get damaged, nor your original nails will get damaged. Have a look. When I turn this up, can you see the nail paint inside? This is because I had applied previously a nail paint and then I had put on the glue on it. That is the reason when I went to remove my artificial nails, it came out along with the nail paint that I had previously applied. So this tip will help us not to damage our original nails, because when it comes out, it will get the nail paint out and not our nail texture, not the original nail texture. So I hope you friends understood why I'm using the tip and trick of applying nail paint before I put on the nail glue. Now that my nail paint has already dried, the next step that we are going to do is, we are going to select the perfect shape required for our nails. Now as I told you friends, this nail box comes with different sizes. So you can choose the perfect size that you require for your nails. So I'm going to choose for me So now as you can see friends, I have selected all the nail sizes that I require for this particular hand of mine. So I'm going to close this, keep aside. Now next step, what we are going to do is, we are going to push in any cuticles that are required to be pushed. So we can do this before applying the nail paint or after applying the nail paint also, because this is not the original nail paint that I need. This nail paint is just applied so that my original nails don't get damaged. Alright, so it's done. So now for the next step, we are going to apply the glue. Now you can apply just 1 or 2 drops also. It is very effective. It's going to stick on to your nail. You can apply the glue on the artificial nails or on your original nails also. So I'm going to put on 2 drops right in the center. You can see. And I'm going to take the nail that is selected and I'm going to place it on top like this. I'm just going to place it right on top. And I'm going to hold it on to my nail for approx 10 seconds. So you can see it has stuck. So similarly, I'm going to put more 2 drops on the other finger as well. And I'm going to put on my other nail. So same way we are going to go on applying the artificial nails for all our nails. And we are going to hold on to it for 10 seconds. So now you can see friends, my nails are already stuck. I'm going to cover the lid of the glue and keep aside. Now what we are going to do is, to give it a feel of original nails, I'm going to trim my nails however I need, whatever shape I need it to come to. So I'm going to take a nail cutter and I'm going to cut the extra nail that I don't require. Now friends, once I have put on and trimmed my nails according to the shape that I require, next what I'm going to do is, with the help of a nail filer, I'm going to smoothen the edges because I don't want my edges to be rough. And I must say, this nail filer is also very smooth and very nice. So it sharpens your nails within seconds. So there you go friends, you can see my nails are done. Now it's time to apply the nail paint, whatever desired color that you require. So which one should I put on? I think I should go on for this one because it's nice, it gives a mirror effect. It's gold, mirror effect nail paint it is. So let's apply this one. So there you can see friends, my nails are all done. I have just given one finger maroonish touch because I'm wearing maroon today. So I want to give it some matching feel. So you can see, you cannot make out at all that these are artificial nails. They all look perfectly original. Now once we are done with the nails, last but not the least, what we are going to do is, we are going to apply little hand cream. So that our hand looks more elegant. And we are all ready to move out. So there you go friends, my nails are all done. All the original look I have given them. Now nextly, the thing that I had told you all, that I'm going to give you a tip how to remove your nail extensions. Now firstly what you can do is, you can wear them for how long you want. No issues, they are not going to fall off until you do some massive work. Now to tell you friends, the tips that I have for you guys is tip number 1. You can either wait for them to fall off on their own. Tip number 2. What you can do is, in a plastic bag, you need to add a little bit of acetone, that is nail remover. You need to add the quantity required so that you can dip your nails in the acetone liquid. You need to just move your fingers in the acetone and in a few seconds your nails will be out. Now the disadvantage of using acetone or the nail remover to remove your extensions is that you cannot reuse them because your nail extensions will get melted. Now, tip number 3 is that what you can do is, you know that you are wearing a nail paint for your original nails. So there is no point that your original nails are going to be damaged. So what you can do is, you can take any sharp item like this or any thread or something and you can try to put it inside your artificial nails, maybe from this way or maybe from this way edges. Any edge if you can see open, you can try to put it in over here, and you need to slowly space it out. So eventually the gum will come out along with the nail paint that is there for the original nail, and your nail will fall off. So by doing the tip number 3, what benefits you is you can reuse these nails. Alright, so that's all for today, my friends. I hope you all liked watching it. If you did like, please to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also to share it with your friends and families. And stay well, take care of yourself. Till then, I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.